I teamed up with Home Hardware to create one of their backyard packages. They have amazing packages available for your backyard space. You get the plans with purchase of material. You get to build these kits and use your own skills to test them out and build something amazing for your own space. So I'm building my own tiny home studio build, an all-woman build. How epic is that? I get to build my very own studio. Here's how. In our previous episode, you'll see that I've actually installed the door and windows into my studio. I did this because I didn't want any collateral damage with any of the windows while I was doing the build. So I temporarily put them into their space, knowing that I would have to lift them down again and do my Typar. That's going to give me the protection and the weather barrier for water on actual around my whole building before I put my siding on. So I've lifted out this front window. I'm going to now remove the door and my other window here behind me and actually get my walls all ready so that I can put that Typar around the whole building. I'm going to use my pneumatic stapler, and I'm going to use a lot of staples, which means I'm gonna go around with my gun the whole way around and make sure this is on nice and tight, and then I'm going to install the siding. I have a couple of pieces that I need to put on the front wall of the plywood that I'm using for the exterior. And the shape that I need for the peak at the front here is actually a really abnormal shape. And so I've taken the measurements for that area and I'm going to recreate them onto the plywood and then cut them out and hope that it fits. I'm just about to put my Typar on. It's an exterior sheathing cover for vapor barrier. I'm going to use my pneumatic stapler and I'm going to use 1/4-inch staples to be able to put this on. I'm going to use quite a few staples, so I have a few packs. I'm going to wrap the entire exterior of this building, and then I'm going to do the cutouts for my doors and windows and use the tuck tape to do all of my seams. I have been working from sunup to sundown on this tiny home studio build. If you want to check out what Home Hardware has for backyard packages, head to homehardware.ca. If you're looking at doing your own backyard projects, Home Hardware has everything you could possibly dream of for your own space. They have backyard packages available. All of the plans come free with purchase of materials. It's an amazing package set for you to be able to do your own dream projects. Thank you so much for everyone for all of the support on this all-woman build, and thank you to Home Hardware for sponsoring this project. I will update you on the rest of the exterior of this project when I start working tomorrow when the sun comes back up. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you on the next update.